In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add language in Excel. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in the app to add another language for your interface or for typing in spell check, all without getting lost in the menus. Start with Excel open on your computer. Any workbook is fine, even a blank one. Look to the top left corner of the window and click File. This takes you out of your spreadsheet and into Excel's Backstage view, where all the app-wide settings live. Next, head down the left sidebar and click Options. It's typically near the bottom. This opens the Excel Options window, which is where you control most of Excel's preferences. In the Options window, find and click Language in the left-hand list. You're now on the Language Preferences page. It's helpful to know what you're seeing here. There's usually a section for the Office display language, which controls the language of the ribbon, menus, and buttons, and a section for authoring and proofing languages, which controls typing tools like spell check, dictionaries, and hyphenation. Deciding which one you need depends on whether you want Excel's interface to change or you just want to type and proofread in another language. Click Add a language. A catalog will appear with many languages, often with regional variants. Use the search box or scroll to find the one you need. If you see more than one version, pick the regional option that matches your spelling and formatting preferences. For example, some languages differ by country in date formats or spelling conventions. Select the language you want and confirm. Excel adds it to your list. If that language requires components that aren't installed yet, Excel may download and install them in the background. Give it a moment. An internet connection helps here. Once it's added, you'll see indicators showing whether the display pack and the proofing tools are available. If Excel needs to finalize changes, it might prompt you to close and reopen the app so everything takes effect. That's normal, especially when changing the display language. A couple of quick tips as you finish up. If your goal is better spell check and autocorrect while typing, make sure the authoring and proofing section shows that tools are installed for your new language. If you plan to switch the entire interface, be aware that the ribbon and menus will appear in that language the next time Excel starts. Also, if you're using Excel for the web, language behavior often follows your browser and account settings rather than this options window. And that's it. Adding a language in Excel is just File, Options, Language, add a language, and select your choice.